How do you have fair money fights? We're going to talk about that coming up.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Talaat.
And I'm Tai, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between.
The Sunday Night Sit Down is being brought to you by MetLife Auto and Home.
New home? Next, you'll need homeowners insurance. MetLife Auto and Home has options that fit your needs. One site, one stop, done. And move on to making yourself at home.
So yeah, guys, maybe it's not quite a fight, but maybe you're having money disagreements. That is very, very common, especially in a marriage, when you have two people that have their own mindset, have their own opinions in the area of money or finances. But guys, there is actually a way that you can actually fight fair. Some of the techniques that we like to involve within our marriage when discussing money issues is timing. Timing is everything. Now, I won't, pop out, my own disagreement or an issue that I'm having. Maybe after my husband had a long day at work and he's coming in the house, he's happy to see everybody. He could barely put his bag down and take his coat off, and I'm like, bam, So time is everything. Make sure that you pick the right time in discussing money issues. One of the ways that we actually highly recommend is schedule a money talk night. Maybe it's a chit chat shoot. Maybe you're chatting over, food and making the atmosphere a little bit comfortable. And maybe you want to say, let's do this every weekend or every Friday or every other Monday or every month, once a month. Create a time where you can sit down with your significant other and you can discuss issues.
Another great thing to keep in mind is respect, because everybody wants it, especially men. If they ever feel like they're being disrespected, they're going to automatically shut down. So in your conversations, whether you're the husband or whether you're the wife, you need to make sure that you're speaking with respect and that you're respecting them as grown-ups, and you're not talking to them as
name
a
calling
child.
and stuff, right?
Don't name call. Be respectful in your conversation, knowing that they have an opinion and you have an opinion. Both of your opinions are valuable to the conversation, and you'll be able to make a lot more progress if you keep respect at the center of these disagreements.
That's right, guys. That's so important. You don't want to bring up past failures and maybe, well, we listened to you last time and look at where it got us, Respect is key, and that's on both sides, a male and the female. Women want to make sure that they feel provided for. So it's important that husbands, you make your wives feel comfortable, that if you guys are making decisions that her comfort level is, at peace. One of the things for us is we wanted a little bit of extra cushion in our savings account because that made me a little bit comfortable, although he probably will want to take it and, I don't know, invest it somewhere. For me, it mattered that we have a little bit of cushion, so in the times of events or emergencies, we will be taken care of. And you know what? He took the way I felt into consideration. And as a loving husband, he actually said, okay, because this makes you feel better, we will do that.
That's right. Lastly, go into the discussion with open heart and an open mind. Don't go into the conversation already having your point solidified and you're just waiting for the other person to stop talking so that you can solidify your point. Again, open up your heart, open up your ears to hear what they have to say and assess what they have to say in light of the goal that you're trying to accomplish or the disagreement that you're trying to overcome. Don't go into it with closed minds and closed ears, because you won't be able to make any progress that way.
And remember that no one's necessarily wrong or right. I'm the saver in our family. He's more of the spender. So maybe there are times where we have to let our hair down a little bit, or maybe my hair down a little bit, and relax a little bit. In marriage, there's a little bit of give and take, and that also means in the area of financial decisions.
So listen, you're going to have disagreements, you're going to have things to overcome. Just make sure that when you fight fair.
And this is where the budget actually comes into place, you all. When you have a budget in place, the budget speaks for itself. So a lot of our disagreements, and we didn't have much of them at all, but a lot of our money concerns, if it was not in the budget, then it was an issue. But when it's in the budget, I don't really have a concern. He doesn't really have a concern because we need to consult the budget. What does the budget say? Does the budget say we can purchase this item, or does the budget say, no, we can't? Maybe we need to save up a little bit for the next few months. So make sure that you consult your budget. We actually created a wonderful resource called Teach Me How to Budget that will help you in that area. We highly recommend that couples or even singles sit down, take this course. We have invested so much into this course, and we actually over-delivered, if I might say, you know. But if you're interested, definitely go to teachmehowtobudget.com and we will help you through this. Well, guys, if you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, check us out over at our website at hisandhermoney.com and meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you. And also, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know, how do you fight fairly in your marriage in the area of finances?
Well, that's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.
Bye, y'all.